Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haysam Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Welcome to my aviation nuggets for today. Today we are going to speak about the ADIRU, Air Data Inertial Reference Unit. Modern airliners do have what is called ADIRU. It is air data computer and inertial reference computer integrated in one unit. Air data computer related and process to air data parameters or air data systems, BTOT and static, BTOT probe and static port, okay, maybe TAD probe also, supply data to the air data computer in order to be transferred into airspeed, altitude, vertical speed, static air temperature, true airspeed. Okay, everybody? And the inertial reference unit, IR, inertial reference unit, is actually an inertial reference computer that do have data from the gyros and accelerometers, to calculate aircraft present position and to calculate estimated time of arrival, okay, to calculate the position of the aircraft. Inertial reference units are the modern system, or inertial reference system is the modern system of the inertial navigation system. The inertial navigation system, everybody, do have or was having a mechanical rotating gyros, but the inertial reference unit do have laser gyro or strap down system. We have accelerometers and gyro to calculate the aircraft acceleration into the three axes. And by the integration of acceleration with time, we have velocity, and then second integration of velocity with time, we have distance. So we can calculate the aircraft's present position, and we can calculate the aircraft changing of attitude, pitch angle, bank angle, turn angle, rate of turn, all of this, which is the attitude indicator, okay? Heading indicator, turn and slip indicator. All of this depend on the inertial reference system. In the modern airliner, the air data computer and the inertial reference computer integrated or are integrated into one unit called ADIRU. So as you can see here, everybody, modern transport aircrafts are often equipped with air data inertial reference units, ADIRU. ADIRUs are inertial reference units integrated with an air data computer. How many ADIRU we may have in the modern airliners? 3 ADIRU. ADIRU may be for captain side, ADIRU for first officer side, and standby. So, in any case, if the air data captain side or IR captain side fail, there is a standby air data and IR that may be switched to the captain side. Or if air data side is first officer side or IR first officer side may fail, we can, or the first officer can transfer standby air data or IR data into its side. Okay, everybody? So there are separate controls for the air data computer and inertial reference unit function of the ADIRU. On the ADIRU control panel, we have switches dedicated for air data part and IR part for each computer. So we may have switches for air data 1, air data 2, and air data 3, or standby air data, and IR1, IR2, and standby IR. So it is important to select the correct function of the combined units, particularly during failure scenario. Because maybe in ADIRU 1, only air data part fail. So in that case, you need to switch air data 3 or standby air data to replace air data 1. Or for ADIRU 3, IR3 only fail or IR BART only fail. So in that case, you need to switch the standby IR to replace the faulty IR3. Okay, everybody? So it is important to select the correct function of the combined units, particularly during failure scenarios, as the incorrect selection system function can lead to irreversible consequences. For example, if the inertial reference section of the combined instrument were inadvertently switched off during flight, the alignment of the IR unit would be lost for the duration of the flight. You know, the inertial reference system need alignment at the beginning of the flight, and this alignment must be done when the aircraft is stationary. Okay, when the aircraft is stationary. So once the IR aligned, it must be on to the duration of the flight. So if in any case the IR alignment fail, so you cannot align again the IR system during flight. Okay, everybody? So if you inadvertently switch off the IR part of the ADIRU during flight, the alignment of the inertial reference unit would be lost for the duration of the flight. The alignment process, everybody, aligns the aircraft to the true north. And the alignment process must happen when the aircraft is stationary at the beginning of the flight. Any small disturbance, like if you switch or if you turn on the engines or the aircraft displace a little bit during alignment process, the alignment process may fail and you need to do the alignment process again. Also, I need to tell you that the alignment process depends on the latitude. So alignment time depends on the latitude. So it differs from location to location. And probably it takes from 10 to 20 minutes according to the latitude of the country or the locations that you do the alignment at it. Okay, everybody? So this was a short session regarding ADIRU, Air Data Computer and Inertial Reference Computer. Thank you always for your good listening, and always fly safely and maintain your aircraft very safely. Please stay tuned for an upcoming sessions like this. From Cairo, Egypt, your host was Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Please don't hesitate to share your knowledge and add value in a comment if you wish. Thank you and goodbye.